Hello guys, so welcome to KO Tutorials. So here I am coming up with a modeling of conference stage in 3ds Max. So we'll be modeling, texturing and lighting a conference stage. So let's get started. So very first of all, let's go into rendering, view image file, and I'll take a reference of it. So I have a reference. So let's take this reference. So how we are going to model the stage? So we'll be using some dimensions over here. So let's go into customize. Let's go into unit setup. I'll keep it as standard. Let's keep it as feet over here and international. Click OK. So very first of all, let's take a plane over here. So after creating a plane, let's take a box. So what we'll be doing over here is like width of the box, like for the stage, how much width we can keep over here is like we can keep around 55 for 50 to 60 feet. I'm sorry. Width. (40, 45 feet is okay. If you are going with the dimensions, then you can set it up accordingly. And the length part, the length we can also define that. So length we can define it around 30 feet. Okay. And the height, what we can set over here is like we can set it around 2 feet. Alright. If you want, you can increase its size. Now we have a lot of things over here. So let's go into this and we can create a backdrop kind of stuff over here. So let's just create a backdrop like this of around, let's go into the front view. We can just set this backdrop height length section around 12 to 15 feet between that. So let's keep it to 13. So slightly I will just push it over here. I'll convert to editable poly and I will slightly just shuffle this at the center. So that can be done in this way. After that, let's again take a line tool over here Let's take a line tool. Let's create this stuff. And let's give a extrude modifier. We can give a bit of thickness to it, and we'll slightly just push it accordingly. So again we will go over here. So if you want, I can slightly shuffle this a bit in front. Again take a line tool over here in this way. So just close the shape and again give a extrude modifier, and we'll slightly just shuffle this behind. So let's just duplicate that again over here, and let's keep on putting it one behind the other to give a proper look. So I'll go into this vertices. I'll slightly just shuffle. So I'll just select this all and I'll just give a color to it. So select this and so we'll duplicate that. Before that, we'll be creating this one more. So for that, again we'll take a box over here. So let's just take a box, drag it over here like this. So definitely we'll keep the height up till here. So let's go into the top view, just scale it till here. Alright, so we need to close this area. I'll again go into the line tool over here. I'll close this and let's give a extrude modifier slightly. We'll keep it in this way. So now just select all of this and let's mirror it, copy it in this axis. So I can slightly push it in this way. Much better. So just select this and I'll just give a color to it. So definitely we have defined the height that is totally perfect over here. Now I'll go over here. Again I'll go to the top view and on the stage let's just take again a line tool. Let's take a line tool over here. So just take a line tool like this and just close the shape. So let's go into this and give a slightly extrude modifier and slightly shuffle this up accordingly. So push it down. So let's just save this file first. I'll go into the folder. I'll make a new folder. That's your conference stage. So rest of the elements. After that, accordingly we'll be creating the stairs part. So at the center of it, we'll just create some stairs. So let's go into this side view over here. Just drag it, duplicate that, just duplicate it. That's it. So 3 stairs, that's just sufficient over here. Slightly just push it in this way. So you can see that we have kept it as 45 feet as a width. The height we have set it as around 2 feet. So you can set that. Okay, perfect. So I'll just select this all and I'll just create a small kind of a podium over here, very basic podium. So let's just take a auto grid over here, take a box over here. So height, we can set the podium height at around 4.5 feet. If you are looking at it, because the overall height of this is like around 12 to 13 feet. So this is okay, because if you consider this, I can slightly increase it. Let's make it to 5 feet. I think 5 feet would be better. Width, we can keep it around 2.5. So convert to editable poly. I'll slightly shuffle this up in this way and convert to editable poly. Select this, and if you want, I can just give some details over here. I can add one swift loop over here. Like this. So select this polygon, give a bit of inset, and you can extrude it a bit inside and click OK over here. So select this polygon, insert it, Alright, insert it, extrude it, not much, a bit, this much is okay. So guys, if any doubts, please put it in the comment section over here. So as you can see, we have started with it. So please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. So we'll continue the rest of the part in the coming tutorial. So thanks for watching this tutorial.